We're here inside one of Ford's lighting labs where we use 6,000 watts of light to safeguard against drivers experiencing glare inside the vehicle. The chrome and bright work throughout the entire vehicle is designed in a very specific way. Every angle, every radius is very specific to keep sunlight from reflecting in the driver's eyes. We do this early on using computer models. We bring the truck later in this lab to verify by using our sun lamps and hit it with every angle of light to make sure that those computer models are correct. These are just some of the details that we do to make sure that people don't have to think about these things when they get into an F-150.